Some blood biochemistry indicators characteristic of centenarians have been identified. It is possible that this is the secret that has long been sought. Scientists may have found the secret to longevity, and it is hidden in our blood. Swedish researchers studied blood samples from 44,000 people over the age of 60, of which hundreds reached the age of 100. The study showed that centenarians had lower blood sugar levels than their peers who lived shorter lives. Centenarians also had healthier kidney and liver function, as confirmed by levels of two separate markers in the blood. However, those who lived the longest also had higher total cholesterol levels. Scientists suggest that some differences are due to lifestyle factors such as diet and alcohol consumption. The researchers compared 12 biomarkers of participants who reached the age of 100 with those who did not. All these markers were associated with mortality in previous studies. The results showed that high levels of iron and total cholesterol were linked to a greater chance of reaching 100 years old. The National Health Service recommends that a healthy total cholesterol level be 5 mmol, L or lower. However, the study results showed that only 2% of people with cholesterol levels of 5.2 mmol, L or lower lived to be 100, compared to 3% of those with cholesterol levels of 7.2 mmol, L or higher. Lower levels of glucose, creatinine, uric acid, and liver enzymes also indicated a higher likelihood of reaching 100 years old. Those with the lowest uric acid levels had a 4% chance of reaching 100, while only 1.5% of those with the highest uric acid levels lived to be 100. The researchers acknowledged that their results did not account for lifestyle or genetic factors that might affect biomarker values. They noted that genetic factors and lifestyle could play an important role in achieving longevity. Background of the issue: the number of centenarians in the world has doubled every decade since 1950 and is expected to increase fivefold between 2022 and 2050. There is also a rise in the number of centenarians in England and Wales. In 2021, nearly 14,000 people reached the age of 100, a record high for the past decade. In April, American scientists conducted a study establishing that experience in fighting infections is key to living beyond 100 years. The immune profiles of centenarians indicate a long history of exposure to infections and the ability to recover from them. This research confirms that longevity depends on various factors. One of the main factors is genetics. Certain genetic traits associated with longevity have been found in people who live to be 100 years old. However, besides genetics, lifestyle also plays an important role. People who lead a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition, physical activity, and avoiding harmful habits, are more likely to live to old age. Interestingly, most people who reach the age of 100 are women. This may be related to the fact that women generally have a longer life expectancy compared to men. However, researchers note that this difference may be linked not only to biological factors but also to social and cultural circumstances. Overall, these results provide a better understanding of which factors may contribute to longevity and may help in developing strategies for maintaining health and extending life. However, it is worth noting that longevity remains a complex issue influenced by many factors that are not always controllable.